What's up, guys? This is Epic 247, or the best 247, and today we are doing a car show, as you see in the title. And we got Party Rock, we got Oreo, we got Free Faller, and we got, of course, me. And so this is Free Faller. Doesn't matter if it's a lowrider because it still looks cool. This is mine. This is Party Rock, and this is Oreo's. And we're doing a competition and balancing and then role play. So guys, get down in your cars and start balancing. Except you can you you can come over here where I am and judge. Free faller. I don't know why my car's messed up for some reason. Hold on. Oh, you just, hold on, trunk. Eric, okay. So you hold A, like you hold whatever button it does it on, and then you know how you press back, like, and forward, like you do this? It just does it. And then you can do the sides too. Oh yeah. Wait, is yours basic? Oh, that's why you can't do the big jumps. Do it to mine, do it to mine. You can't do it on the hood. You have to do it in the back. Oh, we'll do it again. No. Alright. Really? No. Oh, no. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You don't want to do that. You're lucky. Alright. Who wins? Who wins? Who wins? Oh yeah, let's open the doors real quick. Who's the coolest car? Who has the best stuff in their car? I have a Gram Reaper, and then a stick that's like a gun. So get in everyone's car and see what the decorations that are inside and outside, and see who wins. Yeah. And then you can see all the decorations and colorful lights and all that. Yeah, I have two speakers. I have the four speakers when the trunk is not open, and yeah, it's so cool. I know, right? Oh no, right? Thanks. Yeah. No, no, bro, whoa, whoa. Don't shut my door. Don't shut my door. Alright. Yeah. Look at inside. Yeah. All nice and tight. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, you don't want to run me over. Alright, so who wins? Who wins? He's disqualified. I'm just kidding. Alright, who wins? Who wins? Who wins? Who wins though? A free faller. Who wins? No, just alright. So there's three chances that you can win. So who won the nicest car? Alright, who won the bouncing part? Okay, who won the nicest? Yeah, interior. Alright, look at mine and then look. It was up here. Okay. How about the speakers? Mine's cool though. Everyone, I have hydraulics too. I mean, it's not like yours is all fancy. Oh yeah. Mhm. So I win! Yay! I win! So everyone gets a precipitation or whatever. Sorry, I just learned. Point. Yeah, but everyone gets like a medal. Okay, everyone gets a medal. All right, now let's do the role play. Now let's do the role play. Let's do role play. Well, I need to go to Twitch so I can see my viewers. So. Alright. Woo. Alright, so we're gonna do the like role play of like you know, like fooling around and just having fun and stuff. And like being gangster. Like gangsters, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we're like role playing. See how that works. Sorry guys, you can't hear them. It's just, oh, you can't do that. You can't have them all up. Just go to your apartment. Alright, I'm gonna change up my cars, okay? Like my car, so it's different. So we're gonna have my face on it, cause my face, you see my Louis Calvert mask, or just my monkey mask. I have that in my car, other car. So I'm just gonna have that. Yeah. Mhm. Wow. Wow. Alright, so we're doing role play. Louis Calvert, what's up? What's going? Alright. Alright. Alright, alright. Alright. So we're gonna meet him at Los Santos Customs. Okay. Mhm. Alright. So what's up? What's up, my homie? What's up? Nice. Like my car? Hydraulics? What's up? Oh yeah. Heist roleplay. Well, I'm starting a series of heists maybe like tomorrow because I have to do the first heist and the second heist. I gotta do it all in order. You know what I mean? Well, I'm trying to do that, and plus I'm just trying to do like a YouTube type of thing. Like how this is gonna go on YouTube. It's just gonna be like part one, part two, type of thing. Yeah, what's up? You like my ride? Oh, I mean, you could sell. Wait, is that the Buccaneer? Oh, alright. Then I guess what cars do you have? Would you then sell the Trismo and you have enough. I mean, that car sucks anyway. Uh, well, after this, and then I'll record again, and then we'll do Rockies versus Stars because this can't just go mix up with the you know title. So, guys, meet me up at the gun store. We're gonna buy some stuff. Yeah. Mhm. What's up, Louis Caliber? What's up, guys? It's me, Louis Caliber. No, don't speak like that. Alright, I'm just trying to be cool. Oh my god, friends are trying to do it now. Louis Caliber is in my car, so he's my little bobblehead, and he speaks to me. Okay, so keep it cool, keep it cool. Stay there, Louis Caliber. Alright, guys, we're gonna buy some car hardcore. Alright. I'm gonna buy some ammo and stuff. I mean, you could do that, but I want to buy some guns. I know, right? I like them. I'm gonna buy some gas. Um. Guys, we gotta go kill some people. We gotta go kill some gangsters. I hate gangsters. But first, we gotta go change our clothes. So we gotta go to the, to the nice place, clothes shop, whatever. Yeah, the nicest one though. And then we're gonna change our cars to the best cars ever. The best cars we have. Kinda, yeah. Yeah. Oh, no, still lowrider, but yeah. Which one's better though? Alright. Is it fully upgraded like this one? Oh, okay. Oh, it's okay. Just bring it. Hey, what's up, Dead Killer? You wanna play? We're doing like a role play. Yeah. Good. With my Louis Caliber mask, yeah. Yoshi. I'm sorry, I had to say that. Yeah. I don't know. You don't. Well, the one that you don't have a lowrider that's custom, so you can have any car. You don't give a shit about Yoshi? I mean. I like these shoes. I change my gloves and then I'm all good. Alright. Where's my fucking gloves? It's in here. Oh yeah, it's in here. Let's see. Some nice freaking gloves. There we go. Alright, I'm good. I'm good, my people. I'm gonna go change my car. Oh my god, what's my person doing? Change it to like the new clothes.
What's that? You been late. You know, not that much back. I mean, you just came back from a star. I'm like,
Shut up.
why? Why?
I can't make the voice again. I mean, I can, but it's like when I'm woke up.
That's when I woke up. Guys, I'm not woke up right now. Oh my god.
I'm the real Louis Caliber. Alright, now it's my Grand Reaper talking to me. Yo, what's up? Oh, you don't want to, you don't do that. And yes, it's to be. Do it. Yo, let's go to the hood and kill some people. Oh, that's a very good idea. That's a very good idea. That's what we're gonna do. It was on Benny's website, yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna do the voices for the characters that's playing with me. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do their voice. I mean, I'm gonna be a voice actor soon, but that's soon. What's up, Michael? Alright. This was my outfit, but alright. Alright guys, are you gonna go to the hood with me? Yeah. Yeah, I gotta get my casco. That's what he said. I think we have to go to the deep of the hood. Gotta kill some of my buddies that just want to get killed. We gotta show them respect though. First we're gonna hold on. I'm in the deep of the hood. Well, I'm in. I'm just gonna show them my freaking ride and respect. You know what I mean? Guys, yeah, right. Okay. Oh God, I'm riding. Yeah. I don't know. Which one looks better? Alright then, take that one. Oh, what's that guy doing wearing some? Hey, bro, I met your mom last night. You know, I was doing like, do I have the action? No. hold on. I need to get the. Hey, bro, I did this to your mom last night. Oh my god. Alright. Oh, dude, I saw your mom last night, too. Oh, dude, I fucked your mom last night. It's crazy. That's what my friend said. And I fucked her too. That's what my other friend said. Oh my god, I don't need a copy though. That's. Hey, what's up? Hey, sorry, I was just dreaming about something in the wood. So this is my friend's. He been walking around for like 10 minutes. I just met him. Let's say he's like an old grandpa. I don't know what he's doing. He's drunk. What did you say to me? What did he say to me? You need to shut up. I hope none of his friends. He's taking a picture. You kind of got in my way. I better get out of the hood. Before anything gets crazy. Why am I in this car? Dude, no, don't run me over. I'm not getting killed. Oh my god. Oh my god. He blew himself up. Guys. Get in. Come on, get in. Sorry, but the police is right there. I can't hold on to the police. Oh, hold on. I gotta put it to everyone. Okay. Oh, there's cops all over that place. I'm not going there. They're looking up the guys I killed. I can't be there, guys. I killed some of my homies. Yeah, there's some cops, of course. Alright, guys, we're gonna do a 4-mission Lamar mission. 4 mission. Alright, four guys and a Oh, we have more players than I expected. Never mind, we can't do the mission. What was I expecting? Oh, they both fly. Oh, Jelly Bean. What do you want now? You want Jelly Beans, Grim Reaper? Yeah, I want some of that, candy. Dude, that's next week. We're gonna rob some shitty freaking guys, but that's next week. Alright. Remember it's a Alright. Oh shit. Alright. Hey guys, who wants to pick up? Wants to pick up? Alright, I'm coming. Get in. Heiko got a nice, pretty good ride. Heiko, really. Let's do another car show, see who wins. Because you know, Party Rock is rocking on a new car too. So guys, we need to have a second competition, don't you think? When you go to when you go to Benny's. Oh really? Oh. You want to steal this guy? Back up, Hiker. I remember. Yeah, I know. Let me just get my Pringle box, everyone.
It's vain. No, it's not. It's just a little lazy old guy trying to use a Pringle box as a, mic changer. Yes, I do. Yes. Oh my god! I'm constipated. What did I eat? What did I eat? I sound like I'm constipated.
Alright guys, we need a car show. First I'm going to my house and then going to the Los Angeles Customs. Oh my god. People are like running to me. I don't want to do that. That's a piece of shit. I should go on my Hydra. That's a good idea, thank you. Give me that sweet idea. I need to call my car.
Hello, Pegasus Lifestyle Management. How can I help you?
What the hell is this music? I just noticed. King of the Castle. Ooh, the F. Okay. Gotta kill all the people. Alright.
Your beautiful new aircraft is
Hey,
waiting
Hiker,
at our
I'm gonna let
nearest
it
airfield.
go.
We hope you're very happy, sir.
Well, you just changed my freaking. You bought that piece of crap. I bought my Hydra. Alright. Here we go. I'm gonna shoot down Heiko. Heiko, you better run. You better run. You better run. Oh no! Oh shoot! Heiko, what the hell? Oh god! Right when my plane didn't even get enough speed to like, freaking. Wow, you're shit. I have to reload. I have to reload. He died. Oh, I'm dead. Never mind. I blocked that. No, no, that's not true. No. Wow. Where you running? Where you running? Where you running, huh? Where are you running? Oh, that's it. You're getting killed. Finally killed someone. Finally killed someone in my life. Viewer, can you please hit that like button? And someone's gonna try to kill me. Yeah, that's horrible, is it? No, that's cheating if you're gonna use a melee weapon, but I guess you're not. You're a faggot. Boringness. This is what I do for life when people kill me. Yes! No! Yes! Made it. No. So roleplaying. Because people want to mess with people and... Oh my god, dude! I don't want to get killed anymore.